Imagine this. Jamaican Dave Cameron, the chairman of the International Cricket Council. Yeah, man. Dave Cameron, the ICC boss. After being booted out of the job as Cricket West Indies board president, Cameron now has his sights set on becoming the boss of world cricket. And look, you have to admire his ambition and confidence. And for sure, we would all love to see a West Indian, and especially a Jamaican, holding down the top job in world cricket. But Dave Cameron, with his history of arrogance and poor people management within regional cricket, asking for the endorsement of the same West Indies board who just kicked him out of the presidency. As for him getting the support and votes of the other major nations such as England, Australia, and India, these people are going to relinquish their administrative stranglehold on world cricket and hand it over to a little Jamaican with an attitude problem? We don't think so. But we never saw Dave Cameron becoming West Indies Cricket Board president. And he did. And as me say, he is not short on ambition and confidence. But can he pull this one off? Yes, yes. We still a try envisage and imagine Dave Cameron, ICC chairman. Me a try see it, me a try picture it in my head. Me not see. Me not see.